Alright, I got this all done now. Got it all cleaned up. It's all mounted up on there. So, no more crap on there. Where'd my rag go? Lost my rag already. There it is. It went to the floor. There's always more stuff to clean up on these. Alright, so now I gotta see if this thing might even actually work a little bit. So, this is supposed to be on regulated air, so 100 psi, I think they said max. Going into it. I think that said somewhere over here. There it is. Dry pressure, 100 psi. Right there. That's your limit. I went 175 here, so this airline here is regulated to 80 pounds because that's only supposed to go to 80 pounds. So that means we have to use this regulated airline over here. Which works okay because we have one right here. And I use the same fittings everywhere. There we go. So let's see what happens here. I have no idea how these work. Pretty sure it's not supposed to do that though. You hear it go boop and stop. So that looks like it's no good. Yep. Yep, not working. Leaking internally. The air vent's back here, but that's probably correct because you got these big vents back here. That's probably correct. But it should be like a piston pump going like it started doing and it quit. So it's not working. Not a good sign when you buy something expensive. Yeah. Wonderful. So, without taking it apart, only knowing what the hell the problem is with it. Okay. Wonderful. Looks like a waste of time and money. So, it's just a big pump of some type. So underneath here is probably stuff to fix it. So let's go see what the hell's in here. Can't be all that much in here. There's a few big O-rings that come in a kit when you rebuild it. So let's go see what those O-rings look like. It might just be it's all corroded and rusted up in there. We'll clean it out, it might work fine. Or it might be it's a piece of crap. It's worthless. So this looks like some kind of a filter thing, be my guess. What was that? Oh, that's these fittings, plastic things, they pop on and off. Yep. Alright. Probably something about you're not supposed to do this at home, right? What the hell, I own it now. Alright, is it going to be American or going to be metric crap? Let's see who made it. Usually if it's metric, it's not US. If it's American, 50% chance. Appears to be American. good. See, it comes flinging out after us here. It's a washer. Oh, that's a lock washer too, look at that. That's a fancy one. So it goes down to the bottom here, obviously. So if you let these up slowly, equally, kind of an idea what happens when you undo it. Some big spring pushing in the face. Nope. Appears to just be a big block of something. There might be a plunger going down though, can't tell. We'll know in a minute. Can't be afraid to work on stuff. There's one of those O-rings. More big stuff to look at. That O-ring is still good. It's above the surface and it's compressible. Okay, so this rotates. It goes up and down a little bit. Okay, so it's got some kind of a shaft or something. I'm assuming that's the pump in there. And there's a piece of debris in there. Looks like there's something laying right down there. It's a spring and it's got a piece of crap in there. Looks like that piece that broke off the valve. Alright, let me go get a tool so I can get that out. Okay, we got this out. I got my little pick here. So it appears to be some kind of material.
A sticker.
See the label?
Jags?
Looks like Jags, yeah. Let's say maybe it says NOS.
I don't know yet.
Looks like
Jags.
Jags
To me.
Looks like Jags to me too. Is that Hearst emblem? Is that a Hearst jag
What the
shifter?
hell that got in there?
I'm thinking this is not supposed to be inside your pump valve. Yeah.
Well, there might be a whole catalog in there.
Yeah, I think there is. Maybe that's why it doesn't work.
The hole puncher size, like, huh?
Yeah, it's got punched. What's this one say on it? Oh, that one has no writing on that one. I'm pretty sure that's not supposed to be in there. Yeah, I'm thinking that's not supposed to be in there.
Is there more?
That's all I see on that side. I don't know how I got in there. Oh well.
Yeah.
Time to dig in deeper.
Are you doing this for somebody, or is it your own project here?
Yeah, I bought it for me.
Oh.
I've wanted a pump since the mid-90s when I needed one.
Oh, you finally found one, huh?
So I finally broke down and bought one. But it looks like I broke down and got screwed, but who knows?
Did it say it wasn't working when you bought it?
Why would they say that? Okay, well those bolts don't line up with these screws, so. Oh yeah, I'm sure they're 100% legit. So we need to pull these big plate off here. These are big ass Allens. Do you think those are tight?
Yeah, they might be.
They might be tight.
That's holding the whole thing together then?
No. It's doing something.
Big ass Phillips screwdriver.
Yes, it is. That's why I have that big ass toolbox over there to put big ass stupid tools that you don't use very often.
And I like those too. They're good to have.
Of course, I'm working in a limited area right here.
Oh, you're always in a limited area. That's your work area. A half a motor tore apart and who knows what else.
Maybe I should slide this crappy show down the line a little bit further.
Got half of a shovel head crankshaft there, or what? Half the motor?
That's a sports.
Sportster motor.
Okay.
There you go. Now you got some room.
Yeah, but it's all full of crap over here. Okay, now we're gonna move down to white space area. Keep the tools, keep the debris right here so you don't lose it. I'm disappointed.
Looking good right now, the camera angle?
I didn't have to beat on it.
Oh, really? They weren't even tight, huh?
Well, if you go like this, you can see what you're looking at.
Oh, yeah.
If I wanted to beat on these, I don't even have to even tighten them at all.
They're pretty good right now. Yeah, I like, I mean, you have to hit them a couple times too. They're
you
shorter
bring-
than I thought they were going to be.
Did you bring the instruction sheet on how to work on this, sir?
I did not.
You did not, you failed to bring in the
Yeah,
instructions?
didn't even know we were working on that today.
No, I didn't know. Well, I figured I was going to do something today. I just didn't know what it was.
This is it, huh?
And I figured this is a good thing to do on my day off, seeing it's my stuff.
There you go. You never have a day off. What do you mean your day off?
You're
Because
here.
it's Sunday?
See, you're here. I know it's not a day off. I figured a rainy Sunday, nobody bothered me. Wrong.
Wrong.
Okay, what's this go down to?
That nut have anything to do in the middle of it there? The
What
top?
nut?
Above it right there? The bolt? The
This
bolt,
here?
I mean.
No, that's something different.
There you go. There
Get
it
glued
is.
in, I think
There
so.
it
That is. You had some like grease debris in there.
Dirt and stuff on there. The grease.
It's like some precision
Some
build
kind of
up there. There's some good stuff there.
What is there, O-ring on it? No?
I think there's no ring in there. It doesn't really need one. It just baffles air out.
A little bit deeper on it.
See, there's a rebuild kit for $500.
Huh?
Yeah.
You get two of those or what?
You get a few O-rings. So here's an O-ring with some grease.
$500.
Put that back on exactly how it came off. Ooh, there's another valve in there.
Is that what that noise? Bolt maybe? Something.
There's something in there to turn.
Is that thing loose? It's in place again.
Yeah, it doesn't hold. It's not connected to this side. So.
You ready to fall out of there though? Yes.
I don't know what the hell it
I
is.
guess it's in there.
You act like I worked on
It
one of
looks like
these.
it's floating around.
You act like I know what I'm doing here. You know as much as I do.
I think that nut's loose.
Why do you have to know anything to work on it? You don't have to know nothing to fix parts. All you gotta do is open your damn eyeballs up, pay attention, and see what happens.
Or Allen bolts to take that whole plate off
See,
of
that
there.
was tight, it wasn't adjusted, so there's no adjustment on this. What do you think this bolt does?
I'm not sure yet. These springs are balls behind it. You know it's a check valve.
That's what I mean. What do you think's behind it? Let's get a check valve.
Yeah.
It's a rusty check valve. That means it goes to the airline over here. The only thing that comes out is crud. Yeah, what do you think about
There's
that?
something else in there
You
though.
think that's good?
No, I don't think
You think there might be a rusty ball bearing or a plunger in there?
something in there, isn't there?
Oh, there appears to be something else in there. It appears to have something in there.
That shit just came out easy though. Or is that a shaft?
It looks like a plunger of some type. It's got a lot of
Spring
it's got a lot
tension
of debris that's coming out with it though.
This thing, the bolt was rusting away. I could probably been being cold or something all the time.
No, it's an airline. Airline has water. This is from '99. Now we gotta try to get that out of there. What do you think we need to get that out?
What's on the other side?
Let's see. I'm thinking either something out of my drawer over here to use. I'm sure. Let's see, we got a couple picks. Let's see, I used to have some splinter pullers. I forget what they call those. Appears to be missing though. Yep, there they go. Tweezers, that's what they call those. I had to think. Tweezers. If that don't work, we'll try something like those. Needing those pliers. One of these two might do something, who knows. I'll try the tweezers. Yeah, that ain't gonna work. That ain't gonna work either. Back to the tweezers.
Move it all?
It rotates. It's a little bit of a plunger action going on, but yeah, it doesn't want to come out.
What's on the opposite side of it?
I don't know, I'm not on the opposite side.
There it is.
Maybe I should just pull harder.
What is that damn thing?
It's a rusty
Well, it's kinda
O-ring.
worn too, isn't
It's
it?
another rusty O-ring.
That shaft looks a little.
I've been shafted, is that what you said?
Maybe not.
Yeah, I have been
Yeah,
shafted
it's
because
better now you wiped it off.
it was a non-functional part, but we might be able to clean it up and make it functional.
Not as bad as I thought it was.
It's one thing about sits around for a lot of years. It probably just needs to be cleaned up. Alright, so it looks like that's a lot better. See, it's made out of stainless, see, it doesn't hurt it being dirty. Okay, where's my small pile of parts at? Okay, now what's in there? See, that looks like one of those plungers that broke before. I don't want to push with that. Push with this. This appears to be solid in there. Oh, there's a piston in there.
Is that
I'm
that
pushing.
that noise?
That's a piston moving when I push on it.
Hmm.
Or a plunger. Ooh, the whole thing
Went
broke
back in
down.
there, didn't it?
That must be with the pump. Must go side to side. Yep.
Yeah. A vacuum, maybe a
That's the pump.
what do they call them things like a warp or carburetor has a diaphragm.
Yeah, something like that. Except the rebuild kit didn't have a diaphragm in it.
Hmm.
It looks like just a big aluminum pump.
Yeah.
It's a big
Oh,
valve.
it makes it cycle.
Air.
Oh, it's air. Yeah.
See, it's just a big aluminum plate in there, big piston. That's all that is. Now up in here, it looks like that's just a hole. I'm guessing that just goes over to here.
Yes, the spring sets the regulation on it, huh?
Had
It's
air in it.
fixed.
That still had air in it. I actually had a vacuum in it when I popped it. Vacuum. Yeah, air line behind you.
Nothing? It's changed the sound a little bit.
It's blowing from someplace, but I can't tell where. This is obviously some kind of a piston, so it goes into an air chamber of some type. That's just a rusty hole there. All right.
Is this all one piece here? This whole face?
This here is a fake piece here that comes
It's
apart.
a cover, huh?
Yeah.
That air fitting on the top might be
The air fitting might be in the way.
possibly
You
if you want to remove that.
You think that might be a problem?
It won't be a problem, but it might be in the way.
Oh, these are actually tight though.
Get a different bit.
Unlike the other ones, these are actually physically tight. All right. We'll be back.